No brand registry? No problem. In today's video, I'll show you how to fight back against rule breakers on Amazon. You can see this listing right here. It's this viral purple toothpaste. You might have heard of it. And they've got 2,000 sold in the past month. They're making 30 grand a month. Crazy. Now let's look at the reviews, and you're gonna literally see that the reviews are completely fake. Okay, so I just showed you it's purple toothpaste, but what are these reviews from 2023? These are reviews for lint rollers. So it's the reviews are completely fake. It's pretty terrible. This one has hijackers on its listing. So it's a SureFlow and it's got hijackers on its listing. So maybe we want to get them removed. So these are two listing examples. And if you don't have brand registry, what you can do is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go into performance and account health. There's going to be a report abuse tab. So you're going to click on this button, and then this is where we can report abuse for these competitors. Now, for the fake reviews, what we want to do is, of course, reference fake reviews and reference Amazon's fake review policies. Okay, so what we can do is I have some fake reviews policies. You can just Google Amazon customer review policies. This one showed up and it has violations to customer policies include. And then we have community guidelines, which have, again, more about policies, anti-manipulation policy for customer reviews. And then what we can do, again, is just plug it into AI. So I'm using Grok. You can use ChatGPT. But I'm just saying I found a listing that has fake reviews. I'm just going to put the ASIN right here. Okay, I'm going to put it's purple toothpaste, but the reviews show a lint roller. Completely different. Okay. Here's the Amazon policies. Help me review them. Explain to Amazon in short and compendious or concise way that they are violating policies. And I just literally copied these. I just copied it and just shoved them into Grok. And now we're going to see what Grok does. And you can see it's super duper duper quick. And then we can kind of go through this and then make it better. So we can go through there. So let's just see what we can do. So what Grok did is it kind of explained it in a robot way. I said, make shorter and more human, as if I'm telling Amazon directly the issue, reference URL of policies. And then it pretty much goes and it just, the reviews of ASIN purple toothpaste are about a lint roller, a totally different product. This is misleading and breaks your rules on authentic reviews and review manipulation. Please remove these fake reviews and check the listing for any other violations. This is pretty darn good. I'm not gonna lie. This is super duper straight up front. So this is why you use AI. But anyway, you're gonna go to that report abuse tab. Let me refresh it. There we go. And then once we go to that account and then a report abuse tab, you can go and then you can report them here. Let's see. Product listing is duplicate. Content not allowed. Let's just triple check which one to report. So what you can do is an abuse issue that is not addressed by the other topics in this menu. So you could do this one, or you could do product detail page was changed to represent a different product. Because as we can see, the product, let's go back, literally used to be a lint roller. So again, this is how you can report. There's so many ways to report it. For the hijackers, pretty much what you would do is you would report them as intellectual property. So obviously you need to claim it as intellectual property, but there's a public notice form where you can do it as copyright, trademark, or patent. And then you can report it in the public notice form without brand registry. Now, I do want to give you some pro tips if this isn't working. So if this doesn't work for some reason, what you do want to do is do a test buy. So you do a test buy, you have to actually purchase the product yourself. Okay, so you purchase this product, for example, wait for it to be delivered, then copy the order ID and report it again to Amazon and say you actually purchased the product. Here's the order ID. So you could verify that it was, you know, copyright infringement or it did have fake reviews. You verified it's not a lint roller, pretty much. Things like that. Next, At the same time you report it, you do want to complain as a buyer. So as a buyer, once you buy it, you can complain to Amazon's buyer service how this is a completely fake product, right? You thought you were getting a lint roller. Amazon should be fixing this, and then ask the representative to check the reviews. And they're going to see that it's a lint roller, and then they can escalate it up the chain of command, and Amazon trusts buyers more than sellers, and then the whole listing will be shut down. Right? You just have to get extremely mad and contact the right representative, and you'll be able to do it. But that's it for today's video. What's been the most frustrating violation you've encountered on Amazon? Let me know below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like removing hijackers, listings that are violating, just contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to schedule a call or contact us. Also, one of our #1 services is our infringement management. This is where we'll monitor hijackers, your competitors. If they have fake reviews, we'll report them and take them down. If they're infringing on your copyright or leaving fake reviews on your product, we'll also be monitoring that and take them down. We monitor eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Temu, Alibaba, AliExpress, Wish, Google, and even all of the other countries on Amazon. So Amazon Germany, Amazon UK, Amazon France, Amazon Spain, and we'll get them kicked off for good. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.